Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Tevau crypto card app. We'll be talking about its fees, availability, features, and whether it's a better option compared to other crypto card apps out there. So, if you're curious about how Tevau stacks up, stick around. Let's get started. Availability. First things first, let's talk about where the Tevau app is available. Tevau offers both physical and virtual crypto cards, but not all countries are supported. I'll list the countries where it's available on the screen so you can check if your region is included. If your country isn't on the list, unfortunately, you won't be able to register or use the app. But if you're in a supported region, you're good to go. You can use either the virtual card or order a physical one. Fee structure. Now, let's break down the fee structure. This is where things get interesting. First, card issuance fees. The physical card costs $100, which is pretty standard across most platforms. The virtual card costs $20, which might seem a bit high compared to some competitors charging around $10. But here's the catch. Tevau often runs discounts and promotions within the app. You can easily get at offer prices, so the final price could be much lower. Second, top-up fees. Tevau introduces a top-up fee, which is unique. Here's how it works. Let's say you deposit USDT, a stable cryptocurrency, into the app. You can then convert it into currencies like USD, EUR, or GBP. The top-up fee ensures that only the amount you need is transferred to your card, adding an extra layer of security. For example, if your card details are compromised, hackers can't drain your entire account. Only the topped-up amount is at risk. This is a smart feature that sets Tevau apart. Third, ATM withdrawal fees. Tevau charges 1.9% for ATM withdrawals worldwide. Whether you're in India, the US, or anywhere else, this fee applies when you withdraw cash using the physical card. Fourth, FX transition fees. For currency conversions, Tevau charges 1.2% for both virtual and physical cards. Since the company is based in Hong Kong, transactions are processed in HKD or USD. If you're using the card in a different currency, like INR, PKR, or BDT, this fee covers the conversion. Quick example, if you withdraw 10,000 Indian rupees from an ATM, you'll pay 1.9% ATM fee plus 1.2% FX fee, totaling 3.1%. 5. Other fees. No monthly charges. Tevau doesn't charge any monthly maintenance fees. Card replacement. The first 2 years are free, but after that, you may only pay a small shipping fee for a replacement physical card. For the virtual card, you have to pay nothing. Now, you might be wondering, is Tevau trustworthy? Yes, it is. The company follows strict AML, anti-money laundering policies, and complies with government regulations. Your funds are safe, and the platform is secure. Security features. One standout feature is the separation of the wallet and card. Unlike other apps where your crypto is directly linked to your card, Tevau requires you to manually top up your card. This adds an extra layer of security, reducing the risk of losing your entire balance in case of a breach. User interface and future updates. The app's user interface, UI, is functional, but it's still a work in progress. I've shared feedback with the team, and they've promised significant improvements in the next 1 to 2 months. They're also planning to introduce new features like free crypto giveaways and lucky draws, so stay tuned for those updates. But referral program. Let's talk about the referral program because it's pretty impressive. First, card commissions. If someone signs up using your referral link and purchases a card, you earn a 30% commission at Tier 1. As you climb the ranks, this percentage increases, going up to 70% at Tier 7. Second, transaction rebates. You also earn rebates on every transaction made by your referrals. And if your referrals invite others, Tier 2, you still earn a percentage of their activity. Example, if you invite a friend, Tier 1, and they invite someone else, Tier 2, you earn a portion of both their transactions. It's not MLM. It's a legitimate way to earn good referral income. Testing the card. I and a few others have tested both the virtual and physical cards, and here's what I found. The virtual card works seamlessly with Apple Pay, Google Pay, and PayPal. The physical card is accepted anywhere Visa or MasterCard is supported. However, if you're in India, note that it won't work with the new RuPay system. ATM withdrawals are smooth, and you can withdraw cash in your local currency without any issues. Future updates. Tevau is continuously improving. Right now, you can only deposit USDT, but they're planning to add more cryptocurrencies and fiat deposits like USD, Euro, Pound soon. They're also working on enabling IBAN transfers, so you can receive payments directly into your Tevau account. So, is Tevau worth it? In my opinion, yes. It's a solid alternative to apps like Pay, with competitive fees and strong security features. Plus, the referral program is a great way to earn extra income. If you're ready to give it a try, use my invitation link or invitation code in the description to sign up. You'll get a chance to win free crypto and enjoy exclusive discounts. Alright, that's about it for this video. If there's anything else you want me to talk about, let me know in the comments. I'm always open to your suggestions. Before I wrap this up, I've got a small favor to ask. If you found this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button. It's a huge support for me and helps this channel grow. The more we grow, the better content I can create for you. Plus, it's a way for us to stay connected, so you never miss an update. And if you've already subscribed, thank you. You're amazing, and I'm so grateful to have you here. Your support keeps me going, even when things get tough. Thanks for sticking around, and thanks for being such an awesome community. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care, and don't forget to stay curious and keep learning. Bye for now.